Hello everyone, welcome to my channel World of AWS. I hope you all are doing good. So in this video we are going to see what is GitHub and why we use it. And we are also going to cover what is version control system, what is repository, what is issue and project management in GitHub, and what is difference between Git and GitHub, what is collaboration in GitHub, what is pull request in GitHub. Okay, so what is GitHub action, that is CI/CD pipeline provided by GitHub. Okay, so what is security and dependency scanning in GitHub, what is community and open source. Okay, so these all topics we are going to cover. Okay, then after that I will show you how to uh, create GitHub account, how to authenticate your GitHub account, and how we can create any repository, how we can push any code to that specific repository, how we can write, how we can create pull request, all the things, how we can create branch, all the things I am going to show you. Okay, so just stay with me and keep learning. So like in ideal way, GitHub is version control and collaboration of software development projects. Okay, it is widely used by develop individual and organization to manage and host their source code repository. Okay, so in simple way, you if you like if I explain to you what is GitHub, like you can understand it. It's a bucket where we store our source code repository of our application or our project. Okay, so let me explain with the help of diagram. Okay, so that will be good. So let me so let me do it first so that you can easily understand. Okay, suppose here we have GitHub. Okay, our GitHub repository, and we have developer from like UK, USA, India and Australia. Okay, so if we have not stored our code in GitHub, and if we want to share our code from India to UK developer, then how we can do it? We have to send mail or something else. Okay, so that is not the ideal way, and that will be really hectic. Okay, and that will be like a security concern also. Okay, so we can just store our source code repository in GitHub, and whenever like any requirement came, like they have to a developer that like located in UK, they want to add some feature in our application, what they can do, just they will clone the repository and they can start working, and they will start enhancing the application and what feature is required in that case. So let's take a problem statement here. So everybody knows like Decathlon. So so they have a lot of store in India and across the globe. Okay, so before, what the problem was, like they have not the like global repository like GitHub. They have not stored their source code repository. Okay, in version control system. So they are facing a lot of challenges. They have to hire a lot of developer for the different location so that they can collaborate the code and they can work. Okay, so that will be like, that is really tedious, and they are like wasting a lot of money. Okay, so what they did actually, they just migrated to GitHub. They like store their source code in GitHub, okay, and across the globe, whatever like developer they have across the globe, they just clone the repository, okay, source code repository, and they start enhancing the feature whatever the use case is there, okay. So that like using GitHub, this task is really get easy. So you can, I hope you understand what I am trying to say here. So it's a like central repository, you can say, for any project, okay. So you can store your code, and anyone who having access across the globe, they can copy your project code and they can contribute in that, in the project, okay. They can enhance some skill, they can review your code, they can create pull request, they can merge it. So whatever like things are required there, they can do. So this is the explanation of GitHub and the problem statement. So let's go back to the document. So first we have version control system. So Git is built on top of Git. Sorry, GitHub is built on top of Git. So whenever you are working with GitHub, you must have like Git installed in your local system, okay, so that only you can work with GitHub. So that's why GitHub is built on top of Git, a distributed version control system, okay. Git allow developer to track changes in their code base over time, create a snapshot of the project at different point, like cloning the repository, and collaborate with other. Like if there is 50 developer, they can collaborate with each other, okay, other on the same code base. So with Git, developer can work on their own branch, they can create their own branch. We are going to see later on how we can create our own branch, okay, and make changes, and they can merge those changes back into the main code base when they are ready, okay. So repository, a repository is a central place where all project file and version history are stored, okay. In GitHub, a repository is often referred to a repo. So let me show you. Here I have my GitHub repository. You can see it. Like you can come here, you can go to your repository, and you can click on new, and you can create your repository here, okay. So let's go back, we will be doing it later. So repository can be public, it can be private, which means they are accessible to anyone, or private, which restricted to access, okay. GitHub provide a user friendly interface to create, manage, and organize repository. Issue and project management. So GitHub include a built-in issue tracking system that allow developer to report and manage bugs, feature requests, and other tasks related to a project, okay. So we are also going to see this in later on. So project board and milestone help in organization and prioritizing work, making GitHub a tool for the project management. So we can organize our work using GitHub as well. So let's see what is Git and what is GitHub. So first developed in 2005 Git, okay. Git is installed and maintained on your local system rather than in the cloud, okay. One thing that really sets Git apart, okay, is its branching model. Git is high quality version control system, and GitHub is designed as a Git repository hosting service, okay. So GitHub is cloud based service, okay. So you can share your code with other, giving them the power to make revision or edit. GitHub is a cloud based hosting service, okay. So I hope you got it. So what is different between Git and GitHub, okay. So that's it for this video. We will be seeing what is collaboration, what is pull request in the next video. I hope you found this video informative and helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and if you have any query, then let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.